WhatsApp is rolling out a new feature that will help you avoid your annoying chats. WhatsApp has an archive chats feature that helps users to organize their chats better by decluttering their inboxes. Now, the company is rolling out a new feature that is aimed at making this feature even better. As of now, archive chats can be accessed by scrolling to the bottom of your home screen and it pops on the top as soon as you get a new message in the archive chat. Now, the company is testing a new feature that will keep the archive chats hidden even when you receive a new message. The company has started rolling out a feature called New Archive on WhatsApp Beta for Android 2.21.11.1. This feature will house all your archive chats. It will also mute all the incoming messages that you might get in those chats. If you're a beta tester, you can access this feature by following this path: Settings, then Chats, then Keep Chats Archived. When you toggle this button on, all your archive chats will be tucked away out of your site for good. And if you don't want to use this section, you can simply toggle it off. That said, this feature is being rolled out to Android beta users only. You might have to wait longer to get if you are using the regular version of WhatsApp.